Hey guys, Swytch bike video number 2. Today we're going to see what happens if we try to go up a really steep hill. So we're about to go for a ride. I'm going to ride downhill a bit to get to this hill. I'm not going to talk this time when I'm riding, and then we'll take a look at the hill and see just how hard it is to get up. Stay tuned. Starting off downhill, no power assist. Alright, here we are at the base of this hill. Hopefully you guys can see how steep this is as we go up it. I'm on power mode 4 here as a start, and I'm going to shift into a pretty high gear, and let's see what happens. This is certainly not a hill we're going to be going up fast. I am trying. And I think I am now in probably 3rd gear. Okay, let's go back down and do that again. As you can see, this hill is pretty steep. Okay, this time we're going to go up on number 5. comfort yet. Shift down a couple of gears. Probably about 5th gear. Not bad. Go down a 3rd just to keep the pedals moving. So I can feel it in my quads. However, here we are at the top. So, that was pretty good. That was actually better than I expected. So I'm going to go back to 4 and going to ride through this neighborhood and then up the hill to the house. Now I'm breathing maybe a little heavy, but going up that hill without that assist, forget it. It's about a mile from top to bottom. I don't like running up it. Now we're going to ride up here to the house, see how this goes. And again, this is an annoying ride without any assist, because this is a reasonably steep hill. I would never be able to do this in the gear that I'm in right now. So, this is effectively in 8th gear. And you feel this for sure. But I could have a normal conversation. I'm not working that hard. All right, wow. That's a success. Not bad. All right, so where does that leave me? I went up that hill twice. Once on power 4, I guess, and once on 5. And yeah, you have to work a little bit, but it took me up that hill. And it's not a hill that I ride up normally without some kind of help. Because you end up standing on the pedals, you're working really hard, and sometimes I revert back to being a kid, and I zigzag back and forth across the hill. So between that and then coming up that last little hill at the end there, I think this thing is working out pretty well. So next thing we're going to do is a range test. We'll see how far we go on my Pro battery pack in regular conditions here in New York. So nothing's flat. It's supposed to be 50 kilometers. I don't think I'm getting 50 kilometers, but we'll see. So thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.